great warehousing facility available in Chesterville, 12,300 squares with 3,500 squares of yard, with 7,000 squares of warehouse facilities. The warehouse comes with office space and has world-class warehousing with loading docks, multiple loading docks. Warehouse also offers great heights, which will give you a great output with regards to stacking and volume for storage. Facility comes with sprinkler system and great power. World-class warehouse facility, ideal for logistics, distribution or manufacturing in Chesterville, Durban.